Hello, Cotton Cuts enthusiasts. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. We are so excited to be able to open our Rosa's Holiday Your Way Notions gift box with you. We love putting together these things every year and being able to bring you things from all over the world, from lots of different places, from companies big and small. So what we're going to do is spend the next several days opening these boxes. We're going to show you each item and what's inside and why it's cool and special. However, if you have received one of them and you haven't opened these items yet, please, please, please stop your video now. Stop it, hit the pause button, close it, because I am going to be spoiling what is inside of these boxes. So this is what the box looks like, guys. If you do not want to see the contents, please stop the video, shut down YouTube, close all your notifications. We are going to take one video at a time and go through each item. So this is your final warning. Okay, so now that you've been warned, we're going to open the next item in our Notions box. So this one is called Red Light, Green Light, Go. And you know, when I do the Christmas test, it's pretty flexible. I've felt many things like this before. I have a feeling it's probably fabric based. And when I hear red light, green light, go, it makes me think of Dr. Seuss or something pretty juvenile in themes. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how close I am. All right. So what we have in here is a super cute, huggable and lovable book pattern. And so these book panel is a pre-printed panel for you to be able to make first learner books for children. And so this is a little different than the pre-printed panels that we've used before. This is a new style of panel from the company. And so the way it works is it's a very simple 4-page book. So this is the front and back cover, and this is the inside. And so it starts very simple with my first shapes, my first animals, and my first, I think it's sounds and shapes. And so the idea is they're very, very simple books. If you like pre-printed panels like this, then you definitely have to check out our Cuddle books. But this is very different than that. This is more of an early learner, very quick, simple project for you guys to sew together. So that way you can give it to a special child in your life that it's just learning about red lights and green lights and all the colors, all the shapes, and all the animals. Hey, so now that you've seen what's inside of it, if you want to see what else we have, be sure to check our other videos on this channel. We're going to do one item per video. It was so much fun sharing all of this with you and why these are some of our favorite things from this year. So if you're interested in learning more about Cotton Cuts, simply go to cottoncuts.com to learn about all the crazy and cool things that we do throughout the year, more than just delivering cool notions to our people. We have our puzzle mystery quilt program. We have all of our fabric memberships, all of our thread memberships. We do special programs throughout the year. So you are definitely going to want to like and subscribe this video in order to stay up to speed with all the new and awesome things happening at Cotton Cuts. Thank you so much for watching this, and bye now.